Wow, what a story, but we'll get to that one a little bit later on. What a shocker. In the meantime, the North Gauteng High Court has ordered President Zuma to appoint a commission of inquiry into state capture.
It should be headed by a judge selected by the Chief Justice within 30 days. The court also dismissed with costs President Zuma's application. The President had wanted the court to review former Public Protector Thuli Madonsela's state of capture report's remedial actions. The court found that President Zuma is implicated in state capture due to his close relations with the Gupta family and therefore cannot oversee a state capture inquiry.
Was a clear non-starter, and the President was seriously reckless in pursuing it as he has done. His conduct falls far short of the high standard expressed in Section 195 of the Constitution.
Yet another groundbreaking court ruling against President Zuma. Judge President Mlambo says President Zuma had been ill-advised in his state capture court review application. The court found that the President is conflicted as he is at the center of the allegations.
The President is directed to appoint a commission of inquiry within 30 days, headed by a judge solely selected by the Chief Justice, who shall provide one name to the President. The President shall take all steps, do all things, and sign all documents which are necessary to give effect to the remedial action.
Judge Mlambo was critical of the President's conduct. He said the President's court challenge had delayed the resolution of state capture allegations.
The President had no justifiable basis to simply ignore the impact of this corruption on the South African public. His conduct also falls far short of the expectation of him as head of state to support institutions of democracy such as the Public Protector. The remedial action of the Public Protector presented him with an opportunity to confront and address the problem.
Judge Mlambo says the Public Protector's powers are wide-ranging and can even give orders to a sitting president. Looking almost emotional, former Public Protector Thuli Madonsela says she feels vindicated by today's ruling.
The decision that the President was reckless resonates with my own view of how the President dealt with this matter. If somebody says your house is burning, honestly, you've got to sort out that, find out is it true. In terms of Section 195 of the Constitution, the President had a duty to investigate this matter the moment he knew that Deputy Minister Jonas was making these allegations.
The court also ordered the President to personally pay legal costs on both the failed review application and last year's attempt to interdict the release of the state of capture report. Sipho Stirman, SABC News in Pretoria.